Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming basic conditions: power, pairing, and connectivity. Once the watch is paired to your phone and to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, open the phone's companion app and install Facebook or the Watch Companion. Make sure you grant notifications, background refresh, and location if prompted. This lets the watch fetch updates. Now, sync accounts and wait for initial data to appear. This immediate setup avoids delays and makes the watch ready to receive Facebook content and quick interactions. Once done, sign into Facebook on your phone and confirm the account is active. Next, make sure notification settings on the phone forward to the watch. Open notifications in the phone's Watch app and toggle Facebook to allowed. Also enable contact and microphone permissions if you want voice replies. Adjust which categories you want on the watch: messages, comments, and live video, to reduce noise. This targeted configuration saves battery and surfaces only the alerts you care about when you glance. To finish, interact directly from notifications. Tap to like, choose a quick reply, or dictate a response using the watch microphone. When you need the full app, tap Open on phone to continue there. For posting, use the phone for media-heavy uploads. Keep the watch for short replies and reactions. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of the watch and phone, confirm permissions, and if needed, reinstall the companion app. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most sync and visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.